Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Marco Polo Iyapi Jr. And today I will show you a demonstration of changing oil of a four-wheel tractor.
Before we start, let me show you my tools using in preventive maintenance and changing oil. For our safety, we need to use gloves. Here one is different sizes of socket wrench. We have also Allen wrench, screwdriver, and different sizes of open wrench. We have also impact wrench, impact drill, and a panel for changing oil. Also a socket wrench for removing the drain plug. We need also rags for cleaning some dirt, and oil pan, and new oil. This unit requires 250 working hours before changing oil. So first, we need to check the quality of the oil. Using the dipstick, it must be up to this level.
Okay, here after checking the oil and oil level, uh, we must use a socket wrench to remove the drain plug, and we need to use a oil pan for use oil. Let's remove the drain plug. Okay, after draining the main engine, we will now remove the oil filter.
After cleaning, we need to put new oil filter. Also, we need to clean the drain bolt before putting it back to the engine or drain plug.
Okay, we just put uh, 2 gallons or 7.6 liters of engine oil in this unit. Then after that, we need to warm up the engine and check the oil level using the dipstick. After that, we're good to go.